Can this ball help reduce neck, back, and foot pain? Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how. So one of the common pain syndromes that people experience is this trigger point in the back of their shoulder blade and the base of their neck. Very common area for a trigger point. And you're always trying to get something back there to relieve that pain. So acupressure is an effective way of breaking up a trigger point in a muscle, which is a hypersensitive area where nerves are bundled together and causing a pain syndrome. So this is a lacrosse ball. You can use a tennis ball or a hard ball is really critical. And you can apply direct pressure to these trigger points to help relieve the pain. So let me show you how you do it with this spot in your neck. So roll onto your side, take the ball and put it right at that spot, and then let your shoulder just kind of rotate around on it, putting more and more pressure. It's going to be a little uncomfortable, but that's going to help break up those trigger points. So I'm using my body weight. I'm even lifting, doing a little bit of a bridge to put some pressure on it, to put more weight through that trigger point. And while it's uncomfortable, eventually it feels really good and I can move my neck a lot easier. So try this lacrosse ball to reduce some of the pain syndromes you're experiencing in your neck.